Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to convert your Word document to your PDF file. Make sure you watch the video until the end to not miss any steps. So let's get started. So the first step is to open your Word file. So this is my Word document. As you can see, this is a document file. So to convert this to PDF, what you have to do is simply go to File, and over here click on Export. And what you have to do is here you can see the option for create PDF/XPS. So just click over here and let's publish this. And as you can see, this is our PDF now. So yeah, that is basically how you can convert your Word document to your PDF file. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.